In this video, I'll show you how to make music covers using Suno AI step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official Suno AI website. Log in to your account using your email and password. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the option to create a new song. Click on Create to start a new music project. Next, enter a prompt describing the cover you want to generate. Include details such as the music style, mood, instruments, or artist inspiration. If needed, choose the custom mode to have more control over the song structure. You can also add lyrics or adjust the description to guide the AI output. After entering your prompt, click Generate to create the music cover. Wait a few moments while Suno AI processes your request. Once the track is ready, you can listen to the preview and make adjustments if necessary. Download or save the cover once you are satisfied with the result.